Hedera Hashgraph holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another urgent update of Hedera Hashgraph. So just keep watching this video till the end for more news and for better understanding, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, I request everyone, if you listen to my voice, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. The currently latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph is 0.17 USD dollar. 0.17 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph. Furthermore, if we talk about the Bitcoin BTC price of the Hedera Hashgraph, so the BTC price is also going good. 0.0000547 BTC Bitcoin is the latest price of Hedera Hashgraph. Furthermore, if we talk about the market cap of Hedera Hashgraph, you can see here the market cap available here and 24 hours trading volume, available supply of the Hbar and total supply of the Hbar. Every update is present on the front of your eyes. You can easily read out, my friends. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Hedera Hashgraph, so the price changes is going good, my friends. Now the latest changes of the Hedera Hashgraph is going good. 0.52% positive changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph. So at this time the Hedera Hashgraph is going good, but in the previous time you can see here 24 hours price changes of the Hedera Hashgraph is negative. 24 hours, and the last 1 week price change occur in Hedera Hashgraph is also negative, my friends. But now in the last 60 minutes the Hedera Hashgraph is going good. And you know what, my prediction about Hedera Hashgraph is going good. I believe that Hedera Hashgraph will give us good amount of profit. You can see here, my friends, in a previous time from this price chart of Hedera Hashgraph, that's clear that in the previous time the Hedera price is going down, but now at this time the price of Hedera start moving upward. That's why I'm feeling very good. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.